I just installed an Aeromotive regulator, and I'm going to go ahead and show you why it's bad and what the problem I'm having with it is. Well, it would first, when I crank it up, it would crank up, and then it would surge and die. But I'm going to show you what it's doing now. The fuel pressure should raise in the gas, and it's having a wide open throttle, and it'll actually go down a little lower than what I set it at. I got a brand new fuel filter. The injectors have been cleaned, owned out. They all owned out the same way, and they've been flow matched. So the guy said the spray pattern was good to work. So I went through a lot of trouble, and I ended up with a fuel pump that. So I figured I'd show you this. As always, take it easy.